The Sleepy Train by Mark Marshall. Sleepy train. In pajamas at the station, waiting for a special train. Chuff, chuff, choo, choo, smoke and steam, climb aboard and curl up warm. Driver's engine, clean and smart. Whistle blows, it's time to start. Wheels are turning, lights aglow. All aboard and off we go. Trees speed by, getting colder. Wonder where we're stopping next. Penguin shivers, deep white snow. All aboard and off we go. Land of Nod, call in. Jungle rustling, clear night sky, silver moon is shining bright. In jumps Monkey, say hello, all aboard and off we go. Clickety-clack, sleepy train rumbles. Dreamy clouds look just like sheep. Another station, someone's waiting. All aboard and off we go. Sleepy train, lilting, swaying, cozy carriage nearly full. One more space, squeeze in, hippo. All aboard and off we go. Sleepy train climbs ever skyward. Mountain way is steep and high. Diamond stars, try to count them, twinkling in the moonlight sky. Sleepy friends, snug and happy, nibbling on a bedtime snack. What's outside? Take peep, then through the tunnel, inky black. Train slows down, nearly there. Snuggle down, it's time to sleep. Land of Nod, the driver cries, but everyone has closed their eyes. Shh, shh, shh. Night, night.